How to edit planner template in Canva, create and sell printable planners using Canva. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and for today's video, I will show you a quick tutorial on how you can easily create a simple planner template and sell it online. For example, you can sell it on Etsy. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is the Canva. I already logged into my account. So I have some few designs here that I created. And here to start with, you can create a design here, your layout or the size of your design. Or you can also customize your own design by clicking on customize size, and you can enter the width and the height of your design's layout or search it here. So for example, we will be searching for planners since we will be creating a digital planner. So here you have different suggestion here for a planner layout. So let's go ahead and select see all here. And selecting this see all, it will show you different templates that you may able to make use of to start your design. So as you can see here, you have different design here that you can make use of. And be aware that this one here with a crown icon or currency symbol, these templates are available to premium plan, and this one is you need to pay it. So you need to select a plan doesn't have this icon or symbol. Like for example, this one here. So these are the templates that you may able to use to start with your design. But for today's video, we will be starting from scratch. So let's go ahead and select the blank planner here. So here's our blank Canva now. So we have the A4. And with that, we will start designing our digital planner. And we will start with the background color. So I believe most of the buyer from Etsy are female. So I will go ahead and try to choose a color that is feminine and also minimalist. So let's make use of the color like pink one. So let's go ahead and look for the pink. So for example, something like this. And with that, I will go ahead and insert my text here. So you can have a header, subheading, and also your body text. So let's go ahead and make use of the heading or the header. So let's name it as weekly planner. All right, and here we have our font style. By the way, you can also make use of the font style here. These are the font combination that you may able to make use as well. But let me go ahead and select some font style here. All right, so let me make use of this one, for example. And I don't want the black color, so let's go ahead and look for like dark blue. Okay, this one. So I will go ahead and drag it here. And then the next thing that I will be doing is I will be adding some elements. So just search on elements here. I will go ahead and search for flower elements. And then just click enter, and here you can search for photos, graphics, videos, and audio. So let me go ahead and select the graphics for us to see all the graphic designs. So let me just choose this one, for example, and here you can also change the color of this design, but I will just keep it as black, and then I will move it here. Then I can adjust the transparency of this element. So let's go ahead and lower the transparency. So something like that. I'm not really sure with the position, but let me try to flip it. Let's add another elements in the other side. So something like that. And also let's lower the transparency. All right, and after that, let me go ahead and look for the shape. So I will go ahead and search for shapes here. So here's the shape. So I will go ahead and add it here. Let me just change the size. And let me send this one back. And let's change the color to white. So something like that. And then let's add some shape here again. Let's search for a square. Okay, I like this one. And let's add it here. And I will just copy it and paste. So Control C and then Control V. And again, Control C and Control V. And then let me just lock this so that it will not be moving anywhere. So let me just select this and change the size. Alright, and I will go ahead and copy this 3 and move it down here. Alright, so we can now insert the text here for Monday. So give me a moment. Alright, so I will go ahead and type Monday. Let's make it bold. So I just skipped the video and now here's the design so far. So we have now the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And now I will go ahead and add some information here. Let me go ahead and go to text and let's add some text here. Like for example, weekly goal. All right, and let's make it bold. And then let me just move it here and then resize it. All right, and then after that, I will go ahead and add some lines. So you just need to search for lines here. And I will be using this one here. I like this one. And then we can just copy and paste this one and move it here. And another one. All right, and then here you can also add some motivational quotes if you like to, or you can also add more design here, like some elements. So just look for any design here inside the Elements tab. And once you're ready to download your design, then go ahead and click Share and go to Download. And you have a different file type here, so you can download it as PNG or PDF standard. Let me go ahead and select the PDF standard and then just click Download. And once you downloaded your design in your PC, then go ahead and go to Etsy. And then you can start adding this digital planner design here inside your Etsy and sell it here. So that's how easy you can create your own digital planner or any graphic design for free on Canva and sell it here on Etsy. So I hope that you learned something from this video, and if you have any question, just comment down below, and thank you so much for watching.